Always wear appropriate PPE, gloves, goggles, and insulated clothing. De-energize equipment before maintenance or repairs. Follow lockout tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization. Use insulated tools when working on live circuits. Maintain a safe distance from energized parts. Avoid working alone. Have a buddy system. Test for voltage with a voltage tester before touching wires. Adhere to confined space safety guidelines. Ensure clear access to electrical panels and equipment. Ground all equipment properly. Inspect cords and plugs for damage before use. Use ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, in wet areas. Never use damaged tools or equipment. Avoid overloading circuits. Use appropriate fuses and breakers. Keep flammable materials away from electrical equipment. Use equipment rated for wet conditions in such environments. Be cautious of overhead power lines when working at heights. Lift and carry heavy equipment properly to prevent injury. Secure tools to prevent them from falling onto live parts. Label circuit breakers and switches clearly. Inspect extension cords for damage before use. Regularly inspect and maintain electrical equipment. Use caution in areas with potential explosive atmospheres. Dispose of hazardous materials following safety protocols. Ensure compliance with relevant building codes and regulations. Identify underground utilities before excavation. Use caution when drilling or cutting near electrical wiring. Know your limitations. Don't attempt tasks beyond your expertise. Use caution when working with high voltage equipment. Remove metal jewelry to avoid conductivity hazards. Use ladders safely, avoiding contact with live wires. Ensure proper ventilation around electrical equipment. Avoid using damaged or malfunctioning equipment. Keep panels and junction boxes closed and secured. Assume all overhead lines are live and dangerous. Use insulated barriers in damp or wet environments. Ground and bond equipment to prevent electrical shock. Be aware of electromagnetic interference in sensitive environments. Provide adequate cooling for electrical equipment. Replace damaged outlets promptly. Carefully splice electrical cables to prevent shorts. Store equipment safely to prevent damage. Treat all wires as live. Use caution. Insulate wiring properly to prevent electrical hazards. Keep equipment away from combustible materials. Handle batteries carefully to prevent short circuits. Prevent static buildup by proper grounding. Use power tools cautiously to avoid accidents. Avoid using equipment with damaged insulation. Use caution in areas prone to explosions.